What do you guys think of my nails? This is actually the first time I've ever had off-white nails, so I've kind of matched it with my Hermes Click Clack bracelet. What do you guys think? Hi guys! I know, the first thing you're probably wondering is why are you only seeing Mel's hands? I'm really sorry, but I've developed like this allergic reaction on my face. I don't know what it is, but I'm all puffy and blotchy and sore and itchy. Yeah, so my face is not looking great at the moment. A few of you already messaged me and said, Mel, where's this week's video? And because I love you guys so much, I wanted to film something. I'm not sure when my face is going down. Don't worry, I am going to go see the doctor. But in today's video, I am still going to be doing a collective luxury unboxings, and I still am going to be trying some of the items on because they are shoes. I'll just tell you now, because my feet are still okay. So guys, I know it's not ideal, but I still wanted to film something because I'm not sure when I can film next. So I hope you really enjoy it. If you do like unboxings, do give this video a thumbs up, and I would love for you to join my family, and you just need to click that red subscribe button. If you want to be notified each time I upload, just click that bell and you can join my notification squad. Okay, so let's get started with the very first item. So before I get to my first reveal, what do you guys think of my nails? It's the first time I've ever got off-white. I'm matching it to my Hermes Click Clack bracelet. I'm kind of liking it, and it goes with my very first reveal, which is from Manolo Blahnik. I cannot believe the deal I got on this. So basically I found this on eBay from a private seller. It didn't fit her, so her loss was my gain. Brand new, not worn, with receipt. She bought it from like a European website. But anyway, let me show you what style I picked. So it came with all the dust bags. And can you see? Oh my goodness, look at this color. So let me introduce my new pair of Manolo Hangisi, I think that's how you pronounce it, shoes. So for those of you that may not be aware, this is the Sex and the City shoe. This is Carrie's shoe. Well, this was the shoe that she got proposed with from Mr. Big, and except hers was in the blue, which I do have, but in the lower heel height. So this heel height is 105, so 10.5 centimeters, approximately 4 inches, and it is in this beautiful purple satin with this beautiful jeweled buckle detail. And I actually really love the heel as well. Let me just try to show you. There's this heel detail here, so it's got this metal rim there. So as you can see, it has not been worn. Let me just see if on the box it's got the actual color. So that's what they look like. And I'm going to try it on for you since my feet are okay. I just love them. Okay, so it is in Petunia Satin. So guys, I think that these shoes are really comfortable. I've tried these on before in this heel height. I've got the shorter ones in the blue, but these are really comfortable from what I've tried. I obviously haven't worn them out, but my blue ones are really comfortable. I just love it. I think it's just such a sophisticated, sexy, iconic shoe. In fact, I don't have a purple shoe. You're probably thinking, wow, Mel, that's very bold, but I think it's something like this. Hopefully I can pull it off. So I just think it is a stunning pair, and I'm just so happy to add this to my collection. And by the way, these retail in Australia for about 1,005, 1,006, and I paid 825 Australian dollars, and I was really happy with that because that's saving like almost 50% off. So that is the first pair that I got. So next up is something I got a few days ago, and it came in this box, which shows it's from a Matches Fashion box. So this, guys, is a true unboxing. I've just taken the box out of here, but it was in here. Let me just, can I even open this up? Yeah. So it's a magnetic box opening. It's beautifully packed. I love Matches packaging, but just wanted to save a bit of time. I just wanted to take it out. So I got something from Aquazzura, which you guys can guess, Aquazzura is another shoe brand. So let me show you what I got. I did score this in their sale, which I think just has finished. But if I find any of these items that I've mentioned, I will link it in the description bar below. But yes, so Matches Fashion has it as sale, and then as predicted, they always have take a further 20% off. So I got, okay, so first things first, one thing about the sale, okay, so one thing about the sale I have to tell you is that Usually items are sort of, I can tell that these is not a brand new fresh pair because I actually did buy this and then I had to return it because it was too big. So this should be the right size. Yeah, this has definitely been opened, but hopefully it's okay. So there is a dust bag. Is this supposed to be 1 or 2? I'm not sure. Anyway, let's just take a look at it. I got, yes, another pair of satin shoes, and I don't know why it's, yep, I've got all colors this time. But anyway, these are called the Forever Maryland shoe. It's quite a fitting name, actually. And yes, so this is in a hot pink satin. It's got a beautiful tassel detail. And I love that with Aquazzura, they've got this pineapple, which is, you know, their sort of icon. And I got these in a size 37. Oh, I forgot to mention in the Manolo Blahniks, I bought the 37 and a half, and I find they run true to size. This initially I had bought in a 38 and they were way too big. So I'm pretty sure the 37 should fit. And I just had a really quick look while I'm looking in camera, even though I think this has been a returned item because the box, yeah, the packaging just did not look pristine. It hasn't been worn, so that is good. Can't see anything wrong with it so far. But yeah, as I said, I actually don't have a pair of pink shoes too, and I was just so happy with the price I paid. So originally, guys, I'm just looking at the receipt now. This was 638 Australian dollars. So then it was marked 40% off, and then I got a further 20% off, and so I ended up paying $305. So I thought that was a really good price for these pair of shoes. Aquazzura shoes are all made in Italy, and yeah, and I'll try them on for you as well. I have tried this style on before and it was pretty comfortable. So I think the heel height's pretty good as well. I'm not sure exactly the heel height, but I will leave it in the description bar below. So the third pair, yes, another pair of shoes is from Christian Louboutin. These were not on sale, but I ordered these like a month and a half ago and they only came about, I don't know, about a week ago because they were sold out straight away and then pre-order. But let me show you what I got. For those of you that have been following me, you may guess because this was on my Christian Louboutin vlog when I met Christian. If you haven't seen that vlog, I will link it above. I cannot believe I actually met the man himself. He's just amazing and so down to earth. You have to check out that vlog. Anyway, I'll link it. So I got, so it does come with, I'm not exactly sure what they do. Oh, I think that's for the heel counter maybe. And that's a little bag with containing the heel tips. And the gorgeous red dust bags to reveal. These are the Piguel Loubicraft. And hold on guys, I'm just move this aside. How gorgeous are these? So it is on the normal Piguel last. So the iconic last Piguel is one of their classic range. But what makes this special is that this is actually the Christian Louboutin shopping bag, and it's been, you know, hand torn and then individually placed inside the shoe, and then this is just like plastic, I think, just sort of like encasing this shopping bag in. So each of the shoes are slightly different because they are all sort of like hand torn and then placed inside. How cool are these? Of course, the beautiful red bottoms, which, yes, if you take these off, you can't return them. And I bought these in a 37 and a half. And I know for Piguel's, I'm true to size. So that is what I got. And I find out of all of them that Piguel's are probably the most comfortable. I cannot walk in Socates at all. So this Piguel is 100 millimeters. And because it is the thicker heel, I find them pretty comfortable. Look, it's not a shoe I can walk in all day. A few hours, not a problem at all. Whereas in with the Piguel Folies, they have the thinner heel. They're a little bit tougher, but still not too bad compared to the Socates, which I can't do at all. But I just love them. I think they're so unique. I know they must have been so popular because they just sold out and they're still on pre-order now. I had to order these from the Christian Louboutin Asia site actually because in the Australian Louboutin stores, they actually never ordered this for some reason, only came in the Piguel Folies. Anyway, let me tell you the price. It is 1,225 Australian dollars. So that is it. And the whole range, I think it comes in a boot as well. It comes in sneakers. I just think it's gorgeous. I mean, Christian makes beautiful shoes, and you know, that's what he's known for, and I just think they are absolutely beautiful. Next up are a couple of Chanel unboxings, and these I did pick up on separate occasions. This one was also a few weeks ago, but you probably can tell from the box. This is something I have not bought for a long time, and you probably can guess from the size of the box. And Mel is obsessed with, yes, Chanel earrings. But do you know, the last time I bought Chanel earrings was like 8 or 9 months ago. So I picked up these cute Chanel sort of anchor earrings. They are from the Paris Hamburg collection, which is the collection now in store. I just really liked them, and you know, I will try get at least one still pic for you of me wearing them, but I don't have anything like this in my collection. As you know, I have collected Chanel earrings for probably like 14 years now. So whenever I add a piece, I want it to look a bit different, and I don't have anything with the anchor. And I think, you know, this is always going to be in fashion because nautical is always in fashion. So yeah, I just thought it was a really cute piece. And let me tell you the price. This one was 590 Australian dollars. And then in this bag here, now this I only picked up a couple of days ago. And let me show you what I got. Oh, the camellia fell off. Let me show you what I got, and I'll tell you the price as well. So there was a camellia. Quickly unbox it. And oh, da, 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 da. This, guys, is my very first O case. I know you're probably thinking, I'm surprised you don't have an O case, Mel, but I don't know, I just haven't. But when I saw this is new in the collection as well. Well, that's what my sales associate said to me. This is the Chanel reissue O case, the reissue being this lock, though this is non-functional, it's just a decorative piece. And yeah, if you open it up, it's just, you know, it's got a, yeah, it's a 26 series. And this one is made in Italy. So inside it's just all beige lining as well, textile lining. I think it's gorgeous. Let me share with you the price. It is 670 Australian dollars. How beautiful is this? And I love Chanel SLGs, and I'm just so happy to add my very first O case to my collection. So that is it, guys. That is all the items that I've picked up in the last month and a half. I'm so happy with my sales scores and a couple of really cute Chanel pieces as well. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for understanding that this video is a little bit different, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I just want to let you know that for the next few weeks, my schedule may be a little bit erratic with uploading. The reason being is in about 1 week's time, I'm actually going to Malaysia with my mum and my sister. My uncle is really unwell, so it was a last minute sort of trip. But I am going to, yeah, my mum's hometown, and I will also be in KL for a couple of days. So hi to my Malaysian subbies. Yeah, so I'm excited to go, but it's not going to be too much of a holiday, if you know what I mean. And then after that, I've just got, yeah, very busy things at work. So I'm going to try my very best to upload as much as I can, guys, but I just wanted to let you know because you guys are my family and I love you guys so much. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and I will see you soon in my next video. Have a great day or night, guys. Bye.